Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the new G-Pods, a pair of truly wireless earbuds with some unique selling points. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the design. At first glance, the G-Pods may look plain, but turn them on and their eye-catching light effects set them apart from other true wireless earbuds on the market. The whole outer side of the handle parts of both earbuds can glow, and the casing on the lights is well processed to create a foggy effect, making the light look soft and elegant. Plus, G-Pods offers 4 extra earbud casings to allow users to customize its light textures. The light effects are customizable via a paired app, which has a neat and user-friendly UI and offers a variety of color pattern presets to choose from. Users can also generate customized patterns from photos, and there's even an option to make the earbuds glow with a color that matches your clothes. But it's not just about the flashy lights. G-Pods also delivers a comfortable in-ear experience thanks to its lightweight design and comfortable tips, and they remained a comfortable and snug fit even after hours of wearing. Plus, the earbuds offer controls on the handles, allowing you to skip songs, pause play, and answer phone calls with a variety of gestures. Now let's talk about sound quality. G-Pods surprised us with their clear and balanced tone, capturing the details of music with high frequency being bright and the bass being solid and strong, but not overwhelming. The earbuds offer a listening experience that is less intense and tiring compared to some of the other mainstream options in the market. And a special point lies in its presentation of the human voice, which feels especially close to our ears. They feature a mainstream Bluetooth 5.2 version with AAC and SBC supports. However, the potential of the earbud's sound quality is limited by its audio codec. It's particularly telling when connecting to an Android device, as most of them have aptX codec, delivering higher quality sound than the AAC codec, which G-Pods use. iPhone users don't have such concerns as the Davy. G-Pods also support active noise cancellation ANC and have a transparent mode like rival TWS in a similar price range. However, the feature is lackluster, and the background noise is noticeable when listening at certain low volumes. The buds offer up to 5 hours with one charge and 20 hours with the case. Speaking of the case, it's relatively larger in terms of body size. With the largest side facing up, the G-Pods case is almost twice the size of that of the Apple AirPods Pro in thickness. For people who are used to putting charging cases in their pockets, this may feel chunky. So, in summary, the G-Pods are an impressive design with innovative light effects that target fashion followers and music lovers that prefer something different. They offer a comfortable in-ear experience, competitive price, and good sound quality. However, the oversized charging case and less satisfying active noise cancellation may be a downside for some users.